Hey Randy, you asked the question on how to find the vertex when you have a quadratic in standard form. So I'm just going to type in a random quadratic in standard form, x squared plus 2x minus 3. So my a value for this particular equation, that would be the number in front of x squared, is a 1. My b value is the number in front of the x, which is 2, and my c is going to be the constant, negative 3. To find the x value of your vertex, you use the formula negative b divided by 2a. So if I take my a and b and plug those numbers into this formula, I would have negative 2 divided by 2 times 1. So that would end up simplifying to negative 2 divided by 2, which is just negative 1. That is only the first coordinate of my ordered pair, the x value of my vertex, negative 1. To find the y value, I plug negative 1 into my original equation for all of those x's. So negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 minus 3. And the output is my y value. And as I mentioned in the email, once you have it graphed in Desmos, you can click on the vertex to confirm your answer. Negative 1, negative 4. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.